Good evening there, children. Sean Canary here with another edition of Sean's Sleepy Time Slumberland Secret Service stories. The main character in tonight's tale is a dashing young Scottish MI6 agent. Again, yes, our brave young hero accidentally wandered into an evil, villainous villain's headquarters after the place's catering received a glowing review in the Daily Express. Anyway, on to the story. Once upon a time, there was a brave, dashing young Secret Service agent called, Sean.
That is all, Agent Fine.
Very well. Out.
Well, that sounded like an interesting tete-a-tete.
Who the devil are you and how did you get in here?
The name's Canary. Sean Canary. And I killed and shagged my way in here.
Ah, yes. The world-famous MI6 agent. I thought you were very good in Casino Royale with cheese.
Thanks, Lovey. Now listen here. I think you better start answering some questions.
But I can't. He'll kill me.
And I'll kill you if you don't, sweetheart. Now, before you start writing in your newfangled electronic mails of complaint, remember, this all happened back in the good old days. Back then, male chauvinism and misogynism were still good things. In fact, domestic violence was something you put on your CV under hobbies and interests. Anyway, our young hero was using his natural charm on the femme fatale. Admit it, you fancy me, don't you, eh? Now come on. What's a little betraying the supervillain boss's trust between lovers? Now come on, cough up. What's random baddie up to this time, eh? And more importantly, where's catering? Oh, that reminds me. Hello, room service? This is the penthouse. Yes, do snacks. Yeah, I'll take the beluga caviar, the quail's eggs, foie gras, and some Pringles. Thank you. Anyway, now listen, lovey, you better start acting like a woman should. Bollinger.
Oh, Sean.
Who's behind you, lovey? Who are you signaling to? Who's there? Talk. A bad guy. Who's that bloke who just stabbed you, eh? What's his name? Talk. Not bad. I think I deserve a little break. Cheers.
Sean, what happened?
Oh, don't worry, my dear. I think I spun him out.
Is he going to be okay? Oh, Sean.
Oh, random totty. So, the young hero viciously beat up the evil, vicious bad guy and killed him, shagged the one and only brain cell out of the little minx's head, and made it back home to the wife in time for martinis. The moral of the story, children, is this. There isn't a problem in the world that can't be solved with your fists and your cock. Or tits if you're a lassie. Good night, you little bastards. Oh, excuse me. Hello, room service? This is the penthouse. Where's my fucking Pringles at, eh? You're doing your best. Losers whine about their best. Winners go home and fuck the prom queen. Sorry, your wife was the prom queen. Really?